Welcome back to another episode of Cheryl's Kitchen. And if you have subscribed to my channel, thanks for your love and support. If you're new to my channel, thanks for watching. So please watch my video. If you like it, you can let me know by giving me a thumbs up. You can as well subscribe to my channel, Cheryl's Kitchen, like and share my videos, and most importantly, turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So today I'll be doing something very authentic. Last week I gave you some codfish fritters. Now I'm going to do it on the sweeter side. I'll be doing some ripe banana fritters, some authentic Jamaican banana fritters. So guys, here's all my ingredients I'll be using. I have about 4 bananas, and these bananas are overripe bananas. So if you have your overripe bananas, you know what to do. Don't throw them in the garbage. You can use them to make lots of fun treats that your family can enjoy. So I have 4 overripe bananas, about a cup of flour, all-purpose flour, some allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a little pinch of salt, but the salt is optional. I have about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, about 1/4 cup of sugar. Sugar is optional, so you can give and take with sugar, because once the banana is overripe, you don't need sugar. So I might not use the whole amount I have here. And I have about 2 or 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So I'm going to start by peeling my bananas. And I'm going to use this potato masher to mash them. You can use fork if you don't have this. So this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna put this one side, and I'm gonna start adding some spices to my flour. We're gonna go ahead and mix everything together. So it's nicely incorporated. We're going to put this aside. And I'm going to go in with about 2 tablespoons, 2.5 of sugar. I don't think I need any more sugar, but you know, you can always taste it. So now we're going to go in with our flour. So I'm going to add a half and then I add the rest. I'm gonna go ahead and whisk it in. I'm gonna go in with my vanilla extract. Gonna add a little bit more. And why I do it like this, you don't want it to be lumpy, so you have to gradually add the flour. And then I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of water just to loosen it a little bit. So guys, this is how you want your batter to be. Not too runny, but not too stiff. So now we're getting ready to fry our fritters. So we're gonna keep the stove on medium, and I've added the oil. So we're gonna wait until the oil is hot, but not too hot. It has to be on medium heat so it fries evenly. You don't want to break your fritters and it's raw on the inside and fried on the outside. So I'm gonna test the oil to see if it's ready. So now my oil is ready for my fritters. And I'm gonna start putting them in the pots. So I think I can put about 4. And we're going to fry them on for 4 minutes on each side. And you know when it's ready, it's going to be nice and golden brown in color. So guys, this is a very good way to use up your overripe bananas. So now I'm ready to turn them over. You see how easy it is? So it's all ready, and and I'm gonna put them on paper towel to absorb the excess oil. So this is the color you want it to be, golden brown. So I'm gonna take care of the rest and I'll be back to show you the finished product. So see you guys pretty soon. So there you have it, my authentic Jamaican white banana fritters, or as we Jamaican would say, banana fritters. So if you like my video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Please share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and most importantly, take care of yourself. Until next time, bye guys.